Ever wondered what spine-chilling adventures GoPro captured? Join us as we count down the top 5 scariest GoPro footages, where reality teeters on the edge of fear. Let's start with number 5. Number 5. Terrifying Tunnel Adventure. A YouTuber named Street Zips, wearing a GoPro camera on his forehead, decides to venture into a spooky, winding rain sewer all by himself. It's like a scene from a terrifying video game. Things get scarier as he goes deeper. As he climbs a ladder inside the tunnel, he stumbles upon an eerie, abandoned backpack. Tucked into the wall. Then, he starts hearing strange noises. Prompting him to grab a big stick for protection. In the distance, the eerie sound of metal scraping against concrete adds to the creepy atmosphere. To make matters worse, his flashlight begins to die, and panic sets in. He even claims to have seen something huge lurking in the shadows, causing him to sprint towards the tunnel exit in a desperate bid to escape. It's a spine-tingling adventure that keeps you on the edge of your seat, wondering what lurks in the dark corners of that mysterious tunnel. Number 4. Mysterious midnight visitor in Montgomery, Texas. In the dead of night, at around 7:11 p.m., a Montgomery, Texas household was jolted awake by their doorbell ringing. Imagine the confusion and fear that swept through them. They quickly checked their home surveillance footage, revealing an unsettling sight. On the video, oddly clad in shackles, a pregnant woman was seen approaching the porch. What could this mean? The strangest part is people suspect she might have been kidnapped. But she manages to escape and find her way to the nearest house for help. This perplexing incident raises many questions. Who is this woman? How did she end up in this situation? Was she truly seeking help in the middle of the night? The mystery deepens, leaving us with chills down our spines. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Number 3. Mystery at the Abandoned Asylum. A group of urban explorers from Canada embark on a journey to an abandoned, insane asylum. Little did they know that they would stumble upon something utterly unexpected. They see a figure behaving strangely as they delve deeper into the eerie building. The initial reaction? Some folks start murmuring about it being a cryptid, a creature beyond our understanding. Others claim it's more than just a person, citing the bizarre noises. However, upon closer inspection, it appears to be a very slender individual wearing shoes, moving oddly. Is it a former patient still trapped in the haunting echoes of the asylum? Or perhaps just a bewildered soul seeking shelter in the forsaken building? The chilling question lingers. Is it a genuine encounter or a clever hoax?
Go this way. Where'd the other guys go? Where'd the other guys go?
Number 2. Mysterious happenings in Michael DeMaggie's home. In the world of YouTube, Michael DeMaggie set out on a quest to unravel the enigma of strange sounds and moving objects haunting his home. With a camera station in his living room, he hoped to capture answers. Little did he know, the footage would send shivers down his spine. The camera documented a chilling spectacle: a dining chair flung across the room and the front door inexplicably creaking open. Here's the eerie twist. Michael insists he was alone that night and had securely locked the front door before retiring to bed. What could be responsible for these unexplained phenomena? Who or what lurked within the shadows of Michael's home? It's a mystery that lingers, inviting your speculations. Share your thoughts in the comments below or dive into the full video of Michael DeMaggie's YouTube channel. Number 1. Creepy clown sightings in Jacksonville, Florida. In Jacksonville, Florida, home security cameras caught eerie footage. People dressed as clowns appeared mysteriously. Some were downright frightening. Take a look at these bizarre encounters. If you crave more thrills and chills, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and don't forget to like and share this hair-raising video with fellow thrill seekers.